we have to use will. Okay. So first of all, I will ask 5 sentences in Hindi.
Okay,
You will convert into English. Okay. Ready? Hold the mic like this. Clear? मैं घर जाऊंगा
I shall go
to
home.
market.
Go to home.
Go to home या go sorry market to go to home. Okay. मैं बोलूंगा.
I shall speak.
Okay. As we speak. मैं जाऊंगा.
I shall go.
मैं चिल्लाऊंगा.
I shall cry.
मैं पढ़ूंगा.
I shall read.
मैं किताब पढ़ूंगा.
I shall read a book.
मैं घर जाऊंगा.
I shall go to home.
मैं लार जाऊंगा.
I shall go to Lar.
मैं देवरिया जाऊंगा.
I shall go to Devariya.
वो मेरे घर आएगी.
He will come to my home.
She will come.
She will come to my home.
हाँ, वो मेरे घर आएगा.
He will come to my home.
ओके. मैं उसके घर नहीं जाऊंगा.
I will not go to home. I will not go to him.
गो उसके घर. गो एट हिज होम.
Go to it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Will you speak English?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. You will give the answer.
Okay, sir.
Will you speak English?
Yes, I will speak English.
Will you play cricket?
No, I will not play cricket.
Will you read this book?
Yes, I will read this book.
Will you go home?
Yes, I will go home.
Will you write a letter?
Yes, I will write a letter.
Will she cook food?
Yes, she will cook food.
Will she prepare tea?
Yes, she prepare tea. Yes, she will prepare tea.
Okay. Will they abuse?
No, they will not abuse me.
Will we laugh?
Yes, I will laugh.
Will you play cricket?
Yes, I will play cricket.
Will you play football?
Yes, I will play football.
Will you cook food?
Yes, I will cook food.
Will you eat pizza?
Yes, I will eat pizza.
Where?
At
At
Lar.
Lar. Is there any restaurant in Lar?
Yes, there is a
Who
restaurant.
prepares pizza?
Yes.
Okay.
At SDFC Bank,
means-
near to
It
SDFC
means
Bank.
you have eaten there. You have eaten there. That's the reason you were telling about that
Okay, sir.
restaurant. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, do you have any problem in these
No,
all things?
they are not problem.
Each and everything is
Okay,
clear?
sir. I understand, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Who will come? Who is come? Why? Only I will ask some question regarding this. Come. Don't wait. Okay. Only I will ask. First of all, what's your name?
My name is Sifa Siddiqui.
Okay. You know very well that I'm going to ask only 5 sentences in Hindi regarding these all things.
Yes, sir.
And 5 sentences I will ask regarding yes no answer type question.
Yes, sir.
So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So are you ready for the Hindi sentences?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं चाय पीऊंगा.
I shall take tea.
मैं घर जाऊंगा.
I shall go to home.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलूंगा.
I speak English.
मैं एक पत्र लिखूंगा.
हाँ. I shall write a letter.
लेटर. ओके. मैं लार जाऊंगी.
I shall go to Lar.
मैं पढ़ूंगा.
I shall
read. मैं पढ़ाऊंगा.
I shall teach.
I shall teach. मैं बोलूंगा.
I shall speak.
मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगा.
I shall not talk to you.
Talk to him.
Talk to him.
Talk to him. Okay.
Yes, sir.
मैं कुछ बनाऊंगी.
I shall
I shall cook something.
Cook something.
कुछ
Oh,
काम
sir.
है cook something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to ask 5 sentences. Okay. Regarding yes no answer type
Yes, sir.
question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you speak?
Yes, I shall speak.
Will you eat?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will eat.
Will you take tea?
Yes, I will take tea.
Will you eat fritters?
Yes, I will eat fritters.
Will you eat something?
Yes, I will do not eat something.
I will not.
Not will.
I will not eat something. Okay. Will you play cricket?
Yes, I will play cricket.
Will you play football?
Yes, I will play cricket.
Will you speak English?
Yes, Yes, I shall speak English.
I shall speak English. Will you make a house?
Yes, I shall make a house.
I shall make a house. अगर will भी लगा देती हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. will भी सही होगा. shall भी सही होगा. It is
लेकिन
totally
shall-
depend on situation.
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you prepare tea?
Yes, I shall prepare tea.
Will you make a hut?
What, sir?
Will you make a hut?
Yes, sir. I will make a hut.
Okay, you make a hut. Will you make pizza?
Yes, I will make a pizza.
She will come. Will she come?
Yes, I will come.
She will come. She will come. When I will ask, will she come?
Will, oh, sir. She will come.
Okay. Yes, she will come.
Come.
Will they come?
Yes, they will come.
Will they speak?
Yes, they will speak.
Will learn English?
Okay, sir?
Will we learn English?
Yes, I will learn English.
We will learn English. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will you speak English?
Yes, I will speak English.
Will you learn English?
Yes, I will learn English.
Will you speak Hindi?
Yes, I will speak Hindi.
Like now you are learning English, then why you are speaking Hindi? You will speak Hindi.
No, sir.
I will
speak
not.
English.
I will not speak Hindi.
Sir, question.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any problem in these all things?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now who is coming first? Do you want to come? Okay. So if you don't have any problem in these all things, doesn't matter. Listen, the student, he will practice a lot. He will learn. He will learn. Okay. A lot of things. He will improve his English skill every day by day. First of all, I would like to tell you, and that is very important. We should not